That is absolutely amazing. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a inside out grilled cheese sandwich. So it's simple to make. Obviously we're going to butter some bread and everything, put some cheese in and grill it. So let's show you how to make an inside out grilled cheese sandwich. Let's do this. You can use any cheese that you like, whatever, you know. Shush. You can use any cheese you like. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. That's going to give me that full flavour through there and that stringiness that we all love on pizzas and everything. So let's get on and grate some cheese. Nope. I don't think we need much more than that actually. That's quite a lot of cheddar already. Might as well finish this little bit of a block off. Now that's our cheddar. All we need to do now is some mozzarella. Okay guys, all we need to do is get some butter on some bread. Now you want to go for thick sliced bread if you've got it. And then all we're going to do is butter our bread. A lot of that butter on there. Oh, fantastic. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to turn it over. Turn it over, and we've got some mayo. Now we don't want to go on too thick with the mayo, but we want it all the way to the edges. Now this is going to give a delicious taste to our grilled cheese. So right to the edges. Oh, look at that. And then what we want to do is turn it back over. And then we're going to take some cheddar cheese and put our cheddar cheese in there. And a little bit of mozzarella. Oh. Now of course you can season it if you want to season it, but we're just doing a grilled cheese sandwich. So I'll go a little bit more cheddar. Oh. And then turn that back up there. So the butter side's on the inside and we've got the mayonnaise side on the outside. And then all we need to do is transfer that to some tin foil. Now that's going to make it a little bit easier for cleaning, so it's not messed up all over in the inside of the air fryer. And all we're going to do is put that in the air fryer, 370 degrees thereabouts, 180, and we're going to cook it for 4 minutes, flip it over, do it for about 2 or 3 minutes on the other side. But we'll put some cheese on so we can grill up some cheese on the outside. So very straightforward then guys. Out with our tray, and then all we're going to do is dump that in there like that, and that is going back in the air fryer, 180, 4 minutes, and then we'll turn it over, and as we turn it over we'll put a little bit more cheese on, so we'll end up with the grilled cheese inside and out. Easy. Oh, there we go, there's a ping. Just starting, look at that. Fantastic. All we need to do now is take it out, turn it over. Oh, starting to stick. So turn over our sandwich, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of cheese on there, not much, and just to get that little bit to melt over the top. We'll mix it, I think. Fantastic. Bob it back in, and then we'll bob that back in the air fryer. Back in, turn it on, and we want to do a couple of minutes this time, about 2 or 3 minutes. But all we're going to do, we're going to keep checking it. We don't want it to burn, but we want it to be really toasty. Oh, look at that! Inside out grilled cheese sandwich. Oh yeah! A bit warm on the side of there. Let's take that out of there. Just look at that. Come on, let's get it cut open. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Oh man, that is fantastic. Oh, just look in there, guys. Oh, I've got somebody over here. I've got the mouth dribbling. Do you want any?
Yes, please.
I've lost my cheese sandwich. That is awesome, guys. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video. Well, what's it like? It's munching away. Can't tell me. Oh.